Welcome back to my channel. Oh my God, it's been a while since we saw each other. And gusto ko lang kayong i-tour sa ating bagong bahay. Charot. Bagong bahay? Feeling ko talaga may bagong bahay. But this is the house that I want to show you. As you all know, dito kami ngayon nakatira sa Cavite, sa Lancaster, New City. Of course, di ba? And I've been so in love with this place. We've been here for 2 or 3 years pa lang, but I'm actually enjoying already the environment and everything else here kasi ang ganda-ganda, ang tahimik. It's so far from the city life, kaya kung gusto mo talaga mag-relax after a whole day's work, talagang I think this would be the perfect spot for you, yung Cavite. And don't you worry guys, kasi baka marami sa inyo nagtatanong, meron ba ditong mga 7-Eleven, McDo? Yes po! Hindi po ito, probinsya na. We are actually a modern city already. The developments are starting and as a matter of fact, nagsimula na po ang construction ng SM General Trias, the biggest SM in Calabarzon. So this is the house that I want to show you today. Kasi nga, I've always been dreaming of, you know, helping people out in choosing the perfect house for them, whether it be their dream house or whether it be their house as a starting family. But I guess ito talaga ang perfect opportunity for me to do this now, and I'm just so happy that I'm with the right people. Oh, diba? So kung gusto nyo po makita ang house, the very first house that I'm offering, lahat na binenta. Kung pwede ko na ito ilagay sa yellow basket sa TikTok, why not? But then, here we are at Minami Residences, and this is the Hana model. I will show it to you in a little while kasi may tao pa sa loob. Hindi ko pala siya bahay. Ba't may nakakapasok na ibang tao? So ito yung Minami na model house. This is the house. Ayan. Of course, this is the dressed up unit. Ibig sabihin, ito na yung mga pinaganda na sa loob. Naka-interior design. And also, ito ay naka-extend na. Diba? You can also extend this if ever you decide to purchase your own Minami homes here in General Trias, Cavite. But of course, dun muna tayo sa turnover unit. So, yung turnover unit, that's the actual unit you will get pag na-turnover na sa inyo yung bahay. So, just in case you would want that, or you would want to see that, ito siya, ang model unit. Hindi pa ito na-extend, wala pa itong exterior sa loob. But then again, I just want to show you guys what to expect when you purchase from me. Yes, from me po. Wala man siya sa yellow basket, but I will put my contact details there kung paano nyo ako makakontact. And I will bring you here, itutour ko kayo dito sa aming village. So, ito siya guys. So, this is the Minami na hindi pa naka-extend, and this one, of course, sa tabi niya, which we will go inside later, is yung naka-extend na. The Minami Residence housing is 80 square meters ang total lot area niya, and the floor area inside is 54 square meters. So, ang lapad na noon for a start. And it has 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and bath. So, ang concept niya is a duplex and quadruplex. But this one is a duplex. Ito naka-extend. Ito hindi pa. So, let's go inside. This is the turnover unit. O, diba? Ang ganda nyo na. Japan ang effect. Oh, perfect. So, when you go inside, this will be your sala. Of course, again, hindi pa nga ito naka-extend. And these are the stairs going up there. And you have your very humble kitchen. Of course, you can still renovate this, make something out of it, make it more beautiful. And of course, there's a banyo here. Upon turnover, ganyan na siya guys. Ganyan nyo na siya makukuha. And there is a service area na pwede nyo ding ipasemento pa or pabakuran for your laundry. And here, of course, is your lanai going to your parking. Kasya ang 2-car dito, 2 cars. So, this is a 2-car garage. Ayan. O, diba may parking ka na? Alam niyo, ang kulang na lang talaga car. So, may parking ka na, may bahay ka na, wala pang car. So, bili ka car. 2-car to. Siyempre, goal nyo na dalawa na yung car. O, diba? As a start, no? Starting, pas dalawang kotse. Sobrang hangin dito, guys. And look at how beautiful yung ginawa nila dito. Landscape, landscape idea. I mean, of course, I'm pretty sure that you have a more beautiful and personalized idea for your dream home. But this is also nice already. May pakawayan-kawayan dyan. So, this is the interior sa ground floor. Ayan. Malapad na din siya for a 54 square meter na floor area sa isang starting home. And now, let's go upstairs. Guys, kaya ako ng hagdan. Huwag niyo akong inaano. And if you decide to extend your Minami house up to 96 square meter ang floor area na kaya niyang ma-occupy. And here upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms and 1 toilet again. Pag gabi, hindi na kayo kailangan bumaba. May toilet na dito. So this is the first bedroom. Ang bongga ng pabintana nila. I like this kasi parang you get the full view. Diba? Pag umuulan, magdrama-drama ka lang dyan. And then you have this awning window. So kasama na to sa amin namin yung residence. Hindi nyo ito ipapagawa as is na to. But of course, if you want to extend this again, pwede nyo i-extend pa to bahay nyo. Ang daming nagtitripping. Ang dami na nag-i-inquire. Kasi ang bilis tumaas ng value ng lupa dito sa Lancaster. Hindi ko masarado yung bintana. Hindi ako marunong. Masyadong pang mayaman. Of course, another bedroom here. Later, I will show you yung dress-up unit na. And another bedroom here. And again, the toilet and bath. Bababa na ako, guys, kasi dito sa, sa model house na unit turnover, hindi siya air-conditioned. So, yung lapuchina, grabe. Doon na lang tayo sa aircon. Doon na lang tayo magchikahan, ha? Diba? Marmar lapuchina. So, grabe, mainit pala doon. Ha? May tao pa, ha? Bahay ko yan, Bakit may tao sa loob? Ba't may tao sa bahay ko, ate? May bisita? So, dito na tayo sa sa dress-up unit. Naka-aircon dito. Okay, let's go. Manang, ano ba yung bagong grocery natin? Wala kaming bahay? Hindi ko wala bahay. So, this is the dressed-up unit ng Minami. So, I'm here in the kitchen. I told you kanina, it looks so bare, it looks so simple, na parang ang liit naman ang kitchen. But look at the dressed-up unit, kung paano nila napaganda yung kitchen. Can you imagine? Pwede mong ipaganito yung kitchen mo. And if you're wondering where the service area is, andito po siya. So, this is your service area. Ayan. So, andyan pa rin ang inyong service area. But now, you have a very beautiful kitchen. And wait till you see the sala. And I guess, you have to understand that this one is, naka-extend na siya. Which you can also do the moment you purchase your unit, naka-extend na siya. So, ito na yung sala natin. So beautiful. Di ba kanina parang hanggang dito lang tayo, but now, because this one is an extension, so in-extend na siya to that part, kaya medyo lumapad na yung sala. And you can do that also. You will be having a lot of options on how you want to extend your Minami unit. So either you want to extend it forward, or you want to extend it on the side, pwedeng-pwede. The moment that you are interested and you visit us here, I will show you yung mga different ways on how you can extend your Minami units. But this is just a sample. You can also turn it into a 4-bedroom unit, of course. Diba? Yung upon turnover, you only get 2 toilets and, 2 toilets and 3 bedrooms. Tama, no? 2 toilets and 3 bedrooms. You can extend it up to 4 bedrooms. And this is the toilet and bath. Ang ganda niya na. Kanina, very, diba? Very simple and bare, but nasa sa inyo na yan on how you would like to beautify or on how you would like to design your Minami units. Nasa sa inyo na yan. Dream house niyo yan. Ayoko nang pakialam yung mga pangarap niyo. Kung anong pangarap niyo, i-push niyo. And don't be scared to spend that money kasi, my God, sayang yan. Nasa bangko lang. Paghulog niyo na lang dito sa Minami. Bumili na kayo ng bahay kahit hindi niyo kailangan. Di ba? Pag yung misteryo nagkakabit, at least may bahay na agad yung kabit. Charot! Wag naman. Starting your family nga. And let's go upstairs now. Ang ganda. Ito nilagyan ng glass. So, ayan na. Let's go upstairs. Ang ganda na. Yaya, nalinis mo ba ang banyo dito? Charot. Mamaya may sumagot, tatakbo talaga ako. Paano ako tatakbo? Mabagal akong tumakbo. So, these are the bedrooms now. This is the master's bedroom. Sabi pala ni may nagsabi, si Julia ata yun sa Priscelo, it's not master's, it's master. Master bedroom. Ganda na. And you have your closet here. Ay. Hotel ang peg. Ganda. Wait lang, I'll show you. So, ito na. This is the master bedroom. May pa painting. May mga artworks. And you have a bed there. And your closet. So, this is the first bedroom. May maliit kang study table dyan. And teapots na parang hindi pa nagamit. Sino ba nakatira dito? You can do it like this. Bahala ka na. And then let's go to your kids' bedroom. This is bedroom number 2. Bed number 1. Bed number 2. Diba? Perfect for small children, small kids. Pang-starting nga na family. And, of course, the third bedroom. Ganda. Ang sarap mangarap ulit. You know, I remember the first time na nag-decide akong kumuha ng bahay. Wait lang, maupo nga muna tayo sa bed. Feel ko lang yung bed na hindi nagagamit, na malinis, na mabango. Ayan. Ang sayo. Ang sarap mahiga. Ang lamig-lamig. Ang sarap matulog pag bago ang bahay. Ay. I remember the first time na nag-decide kami ni Baby Boy na kumuha ng house. I was really so excited, and at the same time, I was also quite scared. Kasi, parang, during that time naman, di pa ako sanay na may binabayaran monthly. Though we have a car na binabayaran namin monthly. During those times, parang hindi ko pa sure kung ready akong maghulog or anyway, magkaroon ng monthly amortization, ika nga. But then, all of a sudden, I remembered, ba't hindi ako sanay? Nagbabayad din naman ako ng upa monthly. Diba? I'm paying for rent. And the unit that I'm renting, the apartment that I'm living in, hindi naman mapapasakin. So, parang konti lang naman difference. Back in Makati, we lived in a very nice place. It was decent enough. It wasn't luxurious. It was just decent. But it was nice also. And I was paying for around 18,000 pesos per month. Noong mga 2019, 2018, just before the pandemic. I'm sure ngayon mas mataas na yung rental doon. But here I am now, paying for my house. The one that I'm living in right now. After 10 years, mapapasakin siya. But then I'm paying pretty much the same amount. Diba? Back in the day, nung 2020, when I first got it. Pero syempre, ito kwento ko lang to. Eventually, after how many years already have gone by? After 4 years, nagulat ako because people are messaging me na bakit daw, sabi ko, 2 million lang yung bahay ko, kagaya ng bahay ko. Bakit 2 million na? Ngayon, 5 million na ang pinakamababa. I'm like, 5 million na. Hindi ako mapakali. So I went to the office, to the sales office, and I inquired. Kunwari ko ulit ako ng isang unit. Oh my God, ang mahal na. So in 3 years, 4 years time, ang dating 2 million, naging 5 million na. That's how fast it rises yung value ng property. Maybe because development now, sabi nga nila, is going south. So papunta na sa Cavite. And true enough, here in Lancaster, we are surrounded by major developments. So we have nga the SM General Trias, the biggest SM in Calabarzon. Now we have Ayala Malls here in our kanto sa Kalayaan. Sa kanto lang. Ayala Malls, SNR, we have SNR already. And Evo City, Ayala Evo City, the next business district. And in General Trias near Minamim, magkakaroon na din ng Mega World development. Mega World. Which is already developed. Actually, open na yung mga roads. Ang gaganda ng kalsada, guys. Nakakataas ng pangarap. So, I think I'm in the right place because I'm near I am near everything. Malapit ako sa hospital, malapit kami sa school, and malapit kami sa mga malls, establishments. Malapit kami sa mga simbahan. Everything is just here. And I think that's the thing about living here in Cavite that I really love. Kasi it's not as busy, hindi siya kasing fast-paced, but grabe talaga yung peace na nabibigay niya sa utak mo. You wake up every day, and you have slow mornings here. Diba? That's one of the luxuries of life daw, yung slow mornings. Yung hindi mo kailangang magmadali, mabilis, just for you to go to work. Dito, chill ka lang. You wake up early kasi parang buhay probinsya. Everything is quiet. Hindi mo naririnig yung kaingayan ng lahat ng coaching dumadagundong na, umaga pa lang. And we have na kasi major developments also sa mga roads. We are near Cavitex, we are near MOA, and soon Calax is opening here. Magbubukas na yung Calax, so it's easier for us now to travel to the south. And the Skyway also is connected to Cavitex already, so it's easier for us also to travel north. O, diba? Yun yung mga major road developments. It is very important because it keeps the economy stronger here in the south in Cavite, and it keeps it growing. So imagine if you're getting or investing in a property now dito, imagine in 2-3 years time kung gaano nakataas yung in-appreciate in value ng inyong kinuhang property, di ba? Hindi naman sa binibentahan ko kayo, hindi ako pero kung gusto niyo naman bumili, why not, di ba? So ayan, this is the dress-up unit. I've shown you kanina yung ating hindi pa naka-dress up na unit, but I'd like to go downstairs now and let's talk about the details. So I'll give you a sample lang na computation. Mabilisan lang kasi I don't want to bore you, but yes, I will mention to you kung magkano ba ang Minami residences ngayon if ever you're planning to get a unit, and yung mga idea lang on how much the monthly amortization would be, and the process on how you will be able to get your own unit and reserve now. Mabilis kasi paubos na siya. Nakakaloka. Ilang units na lang natitira? Mga 50 units na lang natitira. And by the day, mga 2, 3, mga 4 units yung nabibenta, no? Per day, guys. And I'm uploading this video same day I'm shooting it kasi gusto ko humabol kayo. So, upo muna tayo dito. Tara. So, ayan, let's get into details. Ito na yung magkano. Ito na yung magic question. So, just in case you'd be interested to get a unit, the easiest way to do it is to contact me. Message me here. Message me here and pag-usapan natin. But of course, kung nahiya naman kayo mag-message because for some reason, mahiyaing tao talaga kayo. I don't know what reason you have. Pero ito, we made it easier for you now to acquire a property. Kasi ang down payment that is required for you to reserve a unit is just 25,000 pesos. And hindi nyo po yan sa akin i-deposit. I-deposit nyo po yan sa developer sa ProFriends. Okay, wala po kayong bibigay na pera sa akin. You deposit it directly to ProFriends. So the reservation fee is 25,000 pesos. The down payment, you can pay it in 24 months. Can you imagine? 24 months down payment. 0% interest. That's around 24,000 to 27, no? 24 to 20, depende talaga yan sa laki ng lot area na gusto ninyo. Because there are different lot areas available for you to choose from, but it starts at 24,000 pesos a month for 2 years na 0 interest, yung down payment ninyo. And the reservation fee, of course, ibabawas yan dun sa down payment ninyo, sa 24 months ninyo, babawas dun yung 25,000 pesos. And of course, it's also easy because kami na din yung magpaprocess ng documents nyo. If you are employed here in the Philippines, all you need to do is to provide us with your COE, ITR, payslip, basta any income documents that you have, and of course, including na your valid IDs, basic na yon. And for OFWs naman, sobrang dali lang din. Padalhan nyo lang kami ng copy ng inyong contract. And ano pa nga yan, madam? Contract, COE, and payslip as well. So that's how easy it is to process it. And of course, your passport. So sobrang dali. You don't have to give me the money that, na parang feeling nyo unsafe kasi sa akin napunta yung pera. No po! You pay directly to ProFriends. Again, 25,000 pesos yung reservation fee. And then yung down payment for 24 months, 0% interest is around 24,000 a month to 27 or even higher, depende nga po sa mapipili nyong size ng unit ng inyong lot area. And of course, pagdating na sa bank, pag na-turnover na, kami na bahala din magpapa-approve sa inyo, kami na bahala magpa-approve. Pag na-turnover na yung unit nyo, depende din yun sa terms kung gaano nyo katagal or kahaba gustong bayaran. But just to give you an idea, if you're getting a loan term of 20 years, it's gonna be around 27,954 per month. Kung mga 15 years naman, around 32,168. And 10 years is 41,190. Pero pag mayaman ka talaga, and you just want to get it in 5 years, it's around 69,532. So rough estimates yan, rough computation, for a unit, a total contract price amounting to 4 million. So it really depends on the bank, on their terms. So i-discuss naman yan ng bank sa inyo once you get approved and once na for turnover na yung unit nyo. But the important thing there is magsimula. Yun na naman talaga yun. When will you start? Pag mahal na ang lahat ng properties dito because SM is already open, because Ayala is already open, because Mega World is already open. Diba? Parang, if you want to invest, you think long-term. And that's the thing that I learned also when I decided to get a house. Kasi I was so comfortable for so many years of just renting without thinking na someday pala hindi pa rin sa akin to. So I was renting from 2010 up to 2019. Can you imagine? That's 9 years. Kung kumuha na ako ng bahay with the same amount din naman na monthly na binabayaran ko, di sana may ano na lang. Wala na. Sana 1 year na lang akin na yung bahay, no? Sayang. But anyway, I don't want you to make sunod-sunod my diskarte in life. That's why this is very personal to me, yung pagbebenta ko ng properties here in Lancaster. Because number one, I believe that this is a perfect environment for a family that is starting. A perfect environment for young professionals like me. Young pa ba ako? Young pa yan. Pwede pa yan sa young. And this is a perfect environment if you want to get out of the busy hustle bustle of the city life. Kung gusto niyo ng medyo slow life and you just go to the city to work and you come here with a peaceful mind, with your peace and quiet, then this is the perfect place for you. And of course, number 3, wala kasi akong reklamo sa developer I mean, there is no perfect developer. Hindi naman perfect si ProFriends, kahit nga Ayala, may mga nagre-reklamo. But then, ginagawa nila ng paraan There is always a solution here, hindi ka nasa stuck. And, well, depende na kung mareklamo ka talaga, edi magreklamo. Mareklamo ka talaga, hindi na yan mababago sa mga taong mareklamo. Reklamador ka na talaga forever. But then, I really like it here. And this is a very quiet and peaceful place where I can just relax and enjoy life. Ayan naririnig nyo lang yung tunog ng ulan. Diba? Siyempre kasi nasa model house tayo, wala naman nakatira dito. But still, you don't hear the cars passing by, you don't hear the traffic jams, yung mga busina ng busina. Yung tunog lang ng ulan. It's so peaceful and quiet. So, kayo na mag-decide. Bahala na kayo. You have my number, you have my contact details there. I can show you around if you want. Dadaling ko kayo dito. I can show you the units if you're interested. And we can talk from there. Inquire mo na. Go na. Huwag mo nang anuhin yung pera mo. Hindi mo madadala yan.